Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Royal Match. We go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list you will search about the application of Royal Match and you click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will go to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Royal Match and you will click. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your